How to switch the theme of Instagram on PC. Turn on dark mode on Instagram. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is Harobos. In today's video, we're going to show you how to switch the theme of Instagram on PC and turn on dark mode. So without further ado, let's open up our Google Chrome. So once we open up our Google Chrome, and by the way guys, dark mode is a popular feature that only reduces eye strain but also gives a slick and stylish look to your Instagram browsing experience. While the dark mode feature is available on the mobile app, it might not be immediately obvious how to enable it on Instagram website when using a PC. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps and easily switch the theme of Instagram and activate dark mode on your PC. So here, as you can see, we don't have dark mode turned on yet. So let's scroll on a little bit, and as we can see, this is bright and the brightness can hurt our eyes. So what we're gonna do is go to your left part right here, click on more, click on settings. So here, as you can see, we don't have the dark mode settings right here, even if we search it right here. So click on more again, and here there are 5 settings that are available. So settings, your activity, saved, switch appearance, and report a problem. So as you can see, switch appearance is what the dark mode will appear. So click on this switch appearance. Once you click on switch appearance, dark mode settings will appear right now. So once you've clicked on dark mode, our Instagram on PC is now on dark mode. The colors revert once it's activated. So when the background is black, the texts are blue and white, while in light mode, the background is white and the texts are dark. So in that simple step, click on dark mode again right there, and there you have it. Dark mode is now activated on your Instagram PC. So just remember the steps right here. Click more, look for switch appearance, and once you click on switch appearance, dark mode settings is right there. So as you can see, when we turn on or off our dark mode, this is so bright, but I personally like this one right here because it gives us a more efficient color to the contents that we're looking for on our Instagram, and the browsing experience is very good. And that's it guys. We've successfully learned how to switch that theme of Instagram on PC and turn on dark mode. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you'll be able to see and enjoy more comfortable and visually appealing Instagram experience on your computer. We hope you find this video helpful and easy to follow, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more social media and tech tutorials. And if you have any questions and need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching guys, and we will see you on the next video.